We're back at the Ilk Lodge in Olympia. An eclectic ambiance and great food make this the perfect place to unwind with those close to you, just as owner and head brewmaster Patrick Jansen intended. Ilk Lodge, what does that mean?
It's old Scottish for your group, your clan, your people you live with, your family. And that was kind of the idea, was recognition of where we're at and the people are here.
Feels warm, community kind of thing.
They've kept it really a nice special vibe. It's very relaxed.
It's just really, really welcoming and open and easy to come in.
While you're here enjoying a pint of Ilk Lodge's handcrafted brews, they have just what you need to satisfy your stomach, using fresh Washington-grown ingredients to bring the Midwestern classic to the PNW.
And you just chop some off with a spatula and just smear it across the griddle, and that's your burger. So you get a huge amount of sear, which is like the main part of the flavor, right? The deluxe is the special right now. We only make that burger when we can get fresh lettuce, onion, tomato from one of our farms around here. As soon as any of those go away, that burger goes away. I feel like it's such a special burger. That kind of thing is such a special thing that you got to do it like when you can, right?
Like, I'm so addicted to it that that's pretty much all I ever get.
Now we get to hop behind the grill with Chef Shade to make the Wobbly Cart Farmers Deluxe Smashburger. Before we can grill our burger, we have to make a special ingredient.
We're gonna start with goop. Everybody in Olympia is crazy about goop.
Everywhere you go in Olympia, if there's a burger or something, goop is gonna be there.
That's your normal staple, yeah.
We start with mayonnaise and add pickle brine. Then we add in a blend of pickles and garlic to give the goop more texture. Then we add some classic yellow mustard to our mixture.
Just
Whisk
mix it up,
right on.
And it gets a little looser from the pickle brine, which makes it very easy and spreadable.
Awesome, well that's easy.
Yeah.
So is there a key to smash burgers?
Mainly, you just want this ripping hot. You want it to kind of stick, and it gives you a nice little crust on one side.
It's smoking, so does that mean it's ripping hot?
Looks like it's ripping hot.
For a burger, we start by toasting our house-made bun on the side of the grill. While the buns turn golden, we put 2 2-ounce meatballs on the grill, then crush and smear them as flat as we can.
It actually stays juicy as long as you only smash it one time.
Once we reach a nice sear, we flip the meat and immediately put on our smoked Gouda cheese. While the second side of the meat cooks, it's time to assemble our burger. We add a circle of goop to the bun, then add an even layer of pickles. Now we add sweet onions, fresh lettuce, and 2 slices of heirloom tomatoes. Then stack on our burgers, top it with a bun, and it's finally time to enjoy.
Look at that gorgeousness.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's so good. The meat is really fresh and tasty and a little crispy. The buns are super soft and awesome.
Yeah. I'm getting a lot of the pickle and pickle from the goop. Tomato shines through.
Happy breakfast, or lunch, or dinner, or whenever. Good job. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
For more recipes adapted for the home chef, visit us at wagrown.com.